Looking for a newer home on acreage? Here it is. This gorgeous home has an open floor plan and a gourmet kitchen. It features a huge island, quartz countertops, butcher block, a veggie sink, and a pantry. The great room has high ceilings, laminate floors, and a wood stove. The master suite is exquisite, with marmoleum floors and a soaking tub. Check this out! A doggy shower for Marmaduke. And a steam shower for you! This steam shower is state-of-the-art. It allows you to add essential oils. It has dual luxury shower heads and mood lighting. This sprawling ranch was built in 2014. It has 2,682 square feet. It sits on 6.13 private acres. There's a deck and a hot tub to enjoy this serene setting. Quiet neighbors and room for a shop.